What if I told you there's a company that you are probably never bought anything from? Yet it was investment in Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, Google, and thousands of the world's biggest companies. This company doesn't build smartphones, it doesn't make cars, it doesn't sell AI, but every single day it helps manage trillion of dollars. Many people call it the most powerful financial company on earth. Others even believe it secretly controls the global economy. But is that really true? Or is BlackRock simply the smartest investment company ever created? Today we'll uncover the real story behind BlackRock, how it started, how it became a financial giant, and why the entire world is watching it. Let's begin. In 1988, a man named Larry Fink started a small investment company. His goal was simple: help people invest their money more intelligently. But Larry Fink had learned a painful lesson years earlier as he lost around $100 million because of a bad investment decision. That mistake changed everything. Instead of taking blind risks, he became obsessed with managing risk. So, when BlackRock was founded, the biggest mission was not just making money, it was understanding risk better than anyone else. That idea completely changed the investment industry. While other firms focused only on profits, BlackRock focused on protecting investors while helping their money grow. At first, very few people knew the company's name, but behind the scenes, BlackRock was quietly building something that would eventually manage trillions of dollars. Slowly, BlackRock started winning the trust of banks, governments, and some of the world's biggest investors. But the real turning point came with something called ETFs. An ETF or exchange traded fund allows people to invest in hundreds of companies while a single investment. Instead of buying Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, or Nvidia one by one, an investor could buy a single ETF and instantly own a small piece of all of them. This made investing simpler, cheaper, and more accessible for millions of people. As more investors joined BlackRock, its assets grew rapidly. Millions became billions, billions became trillions. Today, BlackRock manages more than $11 trillion. That's more money than the entire economy of many countries. And that's exactly why people call it BlackRock, the most powerful investment company in the world. BlackRock's biggest advantage is not just money, it's technology. The company built a powerful platform called Aladdin. Despite its name, it's not magic. It's one of the world's most advanced risk management system. Every day, Aladdin analyzes millions of pieces of financial data. It helps banks, investment firms, insurance companies, and pension funds understand risk before they invest. Imagine trying to track thousands of companies, millions of transactions, and global market movement at the same time. For humans, that is almost impossible, but Aladdin can do it within seconds. That's why many of the world's biggest financial institutions rely on BlackRock's technology. And this is also why BlackRock is not just an investment company anymore. It's becoming one of the most influential financial technology companies in the world. By now, you might be wondering, does BlackRock actually own the world? The answer is no. BlackRock doesn't own Apple, Microsoft, or Amazon. It manages investments on behalf of millions of clients. That includes ordinary people, retirement funds, government, and large institutions. Because BlackRock invests their money, it owns small shares in thousands of companies. That's why its name appears on the shareholder list of many of the world's biggest businesses. Power doesn't always come from making products. Sometimes power comes from managing money. From a small company started in 1988 to managing more than $11 trillion, BlackRock has quickly changed the financial world. And as artificial intelligence continues to grow, companies like BlackRock will likely become even more powerful. So the next time you hear the name BlackRock, remember it may not sell you anything, but it quickly helps shape the global economy. If you enjoyed their documentary, subscribe to our insights because our week why uncovered the untold stories behind the world's most powerful companies. Thank you.